Hello mga kasipat! Good morning mga kasipat! Now mga kasipat, I have to introduce to you to something very old mga kasipat. Now, I have here mga kasipat, a hamburger mga kasipat. Hamburger. Mga kasipat, hamburger is very delicious mga kasipat, especially during snacks time mga kasipat. There are many mga fast food chains offering a very high good quality eating disorder a burger mga kasipat. Now mga kasipat, this burger mga kasipat have a patty mga kasipat. Oh, look, and a very cheesy burger mga kasipat. It's very delicious and it's also high in protein. As you know mga kasipat, very high in protein and it's very delicious. Wow! You will forget your name mga kasipat if you eat this mga burger mga kasipat. It's very delicious mga kasipat. But the problem mga kasipat, if you eat this consistently mga kasipat, the problem is you will also have high blood pressure mga kasipat and high in cholesterol mga kasipat because the protein that is inside here is very also high in carbohydrates, no, in protein and cholesterol mga kasipat. That's why eat moderately mga kasipat. You need to buy this one mga kasipat. Very good choice mga kasipat. And you will forget your name mga kasipat and the name of your girlfriend, boyfriend. Ang sarap. Bye bye, pasensya. Love you all.